Okay, Charles LeBlanc here. Go to, if you want to read my blog, go to Google, write bullshit. Charles LeBlanc, and you'll see it. Anyway, you got to love living in the capital. Oh my God. They always say the poor. I say it's racism against the poor. The snobs are racist. The poor is not a race. It's elitism. It's discrimination. It's not right. Fuck that. And hey, if you got kids in the room, tell the kids to leave. There's going to be a lot of swearing here. Anyway, because I usually don't swear. I'm a good Catholic. Yeah, right. Anyway, I went there this morning. Put up a little bit, please. I got a rookie that holding my camera. There we go, a rookie, because everybody's scared to hold the camera. There, I want to break the camera. See my face. So anyway, we know about my debate with that so-called idiotic poet that approached me last summer, and then waving his blah, then he went for my head. I defended myself, and next thing you know, 6 months after, the Miramichi police charged me, but we know it's the French police all over it. So anyway, a summary charge, make it right fast, they charge everybody with summary. Summary means, number one, you don't have the right to a lawyer. Legal aid will not give you one. Number two, there's no preliminary hearing. You're not going to have a hearing to find out there's enough evidence to proceed to court. Number two, once you arrive there, those so-called lawyers, duty counsel, act like Amway salesmen. Hey, I made a deal. I'll just plead guilty, 3 months probation, 20 hours of community work. There's one of them there. You can point right there. See, this is one of those duty counsel. There, point. See, that's a duty counsel. That's a salesman right there. That's I even wave. My God, he must be close to retirement. Anyway, those Amway salesmen, put it up. So anyway, they act, they make you feel important. Like they made a deal with you. They made a deal with the prosecutor, and everything is all right. So you plead guilty. You say, well, I don't have the right to it. I don't have a lawyer. I'm sorry, I got distracted. They say, well, I'm not guilty. Well, just plead guilty. You'll be out here 5 minutes. I'm not guilty. Well, what we're going to do here? Can you represent yourself? No. What's the other one? Do you have money for a lawyer? No. So they force you to plead guilty. That's how the system is. So anyway, I put a motion in. And what happened when I put the motion? We had a hearing on July 7th. So I got no right to a lawyer. I said, I have a mental illness, I have ADHD, and it wouldn't surprise me that I got some PTSD after those fucking cops label me to have sex with kids. I'll tell you that, you know. Anyway, never mind that. Charles, focus. Hey, smoke your fucking marijuana. Okay, now, I went there this morning, and it was just like when I walked. You ever see the movie Clint Eastwood when he says about the donkey? And then he goes to the guy and says, get tree coffin ready. Well, I'm not violent, I don't have a gun. I felt like I gotta walk in there and I'm gonna be met by security and the staff. So I walked, you know what? I was treated so good. The sheriff, no problem, go inside. I asked the clerk for my transcript of the hearing. Now, next thing you know, they had the transcript in hand. Everything was fine. I said, oh my God, I don't have to crucify you. They treated me with respect. Everybody was so nice. I said, my God, I got an interview with the premier this afternoon, or I was going to crucify you on my blog, the bunch of racist justice system, but you're treating me good. But I'm angry for one reason. I seen this little mark, brochure of the hearing. I said, holy fuck. I went like this, I'm sorry, you know, $400 it costs to make those. Oh yeah. So I thought the government showing how much it would cost to do those transcripts. No, they're showing me that because they want me to pay $400 to see what's in the transcript. $400. I said, what? I said, hold on. You're prosecuting me and you're telling me I have no right to a lawyer. And now I ask for the transcript. Will you cross-examine me on the stand and I don't have a lawyer? And I'm asking for transcript so I could fight back what they accuse me of. And I gotta pay $400? She looks at me. That's the way it is. So I was so mad. I went to the Justice Department. There was nobody there. My The one holding the camera is falling asleep. Anyway, I'm going to go quick. The bottom line here, the justice system is so racist against the less fortunate and the drug dealers and the drug users and the alcoholics and the people with mental issues. They don't stand a chance in there. Steve Horseman, if he's a racist, the party's over. Because I'll tell you one thing, I will not tolerate going false accusation, and we have to pay money, making a mockery against the less fortunate, the justice system. We need an inquiry. Oh, another thing, what they say, oh, you gotta prevent your jail, oh, you gotta go to jail for the weekend. No problem. Oh, well, you could do it. Yeah, can you hear me? You could do your jail time in Miramichi. We don't have the car. Racism, you fucking right it is.